guys, welcome back to another episode of Android tutorial series for the beginners. So guys, in this Android application, we are going to look what is implicit intent. So guys, let me tell you first what is implicit intent and how we can create in our Android application. So implicit intent, that means you can say easily reusability. I'll show you something. If you want to make application that have a database, SQL database, after 1 month you want to create again database application for your device. So you don't create another program for creating database. You just use copy and paste it, Control C and Control V. That's we can say implicit intent. That means reusability. What is intent? Intent, that means you can pass data between such a component, activity, content provider. Basically, we can use a start activity to invoke that, right? So implicit intent do not directly specify. You can say intent without target component. So intent look like this. Intent, new intent dot action view, which action you want to perform. So you have to set the data, URI parse, and in double quotes you can pass any URL you want and start the activity. That's it. That's we can call implicit intent. So this is the base way to understand what is implicit intent. Like if you want to make application that have email functionality, but you want to use email functionality, so you don't create email functionality for creating the whole scenario and coding the whole scenario. You just use by default which app you have in Android device, right? So like if you you have a already email functionality in Android app, so you just combine with that. So that's we can call reusability. That's why we can use the application. That's we can call implicit intent. So I hope you understand what is implicit intent. So now we are going to code our application. So just close it, open up Android Studio. So guys, open up Android Studio. So as you can see, I already have my design. I put a one edit text and I put a one button. So whenever I edit something, whenever I enter any URL and when I click that, that will link directly to the main site. That means I'll put a www.google.com, that will push me to link directly to google.com. So that's we can call implicit intent. We don't need to go any another activity. We just use implicit intent and set the data directly. Now one page. So now double click on make.java file. In here you have to find the ID of both. So find edit text and button. So edit text, create object of edit text. If you want to change object, you can change it. By default it goes directly edit text and button. Now we have to find the ID. After set content view, you have to find the edit text ID. That means object edit text, edit text, write object of here, again space control space edit text, comma, equal to cast it. Cast means you have to cast the layout, cast the edit text. So we can find the ID of edit text. Find view by ID. r.id dot again space control space and id dot edit text. Our id name is edit text. So comma, now we have to copy and paste it again. So control D, that will copy and paste a line. In here change the ID. Our ID is button, and change the edit text, put it down button. In here again button. So guys, we almost done our application. That means we almost find the ID and create the object of button, right? So we have to set the click listener for run application. So button dot set on click listener, new dot set on click listener. View dot set on click listener. That's you can say. So on click listener, now here you have to pass the intent over here and start the activity like this. So let me tell you something. With the use of implicit intent, we can pass the data, but in a one page. That's we can call usability. Again and again we can reuse application. So that's we can call implicit intent, I guess. So now we have to pass the intent over here. So guys, intent, create object of intent, create object of intent, new intent, intent dot action view, intent dot action view, which action you want to perform, intent dot action view, again space control, action view, comma, in here you have to set the data over here. So intent dot set data URI dot parse. You have to parse the data over here. So www, that means URL, google.com. That's we can pass the data over here. URL. So pass the URL like http colon / www.google.com. That will find the google.com, that means in a URL. So I hope you understand what is implicit intent. Now it's time to run application, but remaining to do one thing. We have remaining to do one thing. We have to start the activity first of all. So start the activity and pass the intent over here. So guys, start the activity. That means you have to start the action view which you want to perform in Android app. So start activity and pass the object of intent. So guys, start the activity and pass the intent. So pass the intent over here. So guys, we almost done our application. It's time to run application on emulator. If you don't have an emulator, you can run any software. I have a Miracle software, so you can download from Google, I guess. So http and www.google.com, that will link directly to google.com. No need to go another page, or no need to cast it, no need to create another activity for a link directly to another page. So that's we can call visibility. So https, or you can say http www.google.com. Now it's time to run application on emulator. So run application on emulator. So we almost done our application. It's time to run application. I'm running my application on emulator, and you can say Miracle software. So choose your running device. You can say I have a Lenovo Key 5. 5.1.1 API 22. You can run application. Now just double click on OK. So that will run your application on Miracle Software. I have. So double click on Miracle Software. So ignore it. So guys, just wait and watch. Now its application is running on the device. So guys, our application is running on the device. So just enter any URL you want. I'll put it here, www.google.com. Just put any URL you want and press OK. As you can see, click. That will link you to URL which you wanna open, like Chrome or UC browser. So just default select any URL, any browser you want. As you can see, our Google is opening. So that's we can call implicit intent. So I hope you understand what is implicit intent and how we can create in our Android application. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Keep subscribe my channel. Don't forget to share with others. Bye bye. See you in the next session.